So this is also a question on recursion asked in GATE 2016 set 1 2 marks question. So let's see the program. Void count int 10, static int d equals to 1, printf percentile d n, printf percentile d d plus plus post decrement. Then if n is greater than 1, count n minus 1, printf percentile d void main count 3, means 3 will be count 3 will be called. So which of the following is the correct option? So let's do the program here. So let's see, count 3 is called. Here 3 is taken, void count, static int. What I have told you is always make box and write static, so you don't forget that it is a static variable. D is initialized here as 1, and now printf n and d are printed. So now n is 3. So let's write here, output is 3 is printed, d is printed, 1 is printed. Now d is incremented, d plus plus, d is incremented to 2. Now if n is greater than 1, count n minus 1. Yes, n is greater than 1, this is 2. Then what we will do, count n minus 1 will be called, count n minus 1. So 2 will be called. So remember that this printf is not done yet, so put a star or something, that printf we have to do again. This line is we haven't done, put a star, not star, like hash or something, that printf we have to do again. Now count equals to 2, so again count, now n value is 2 here, d, now printf n is printed. What is n value here now? Now count is not here, sorry, count is 2, so n value is 2 is printed. Then d value is also 2. Now d plus plus, d is incremented to 3. If n is greater than 1, count n minus 1. Yes, 2 is greater than 1, so count n minus 1. N minus 1 means 2 minus 1, 1. Always remember this printf line we have to do. So now count 1. So now our count is 1, integer n is 1, static d equals to 1. Now printf n is printed. What is n? 1 is printed. Then n is done. Now printf d is here what? 3. Now this is done, d plus plus, d is incremented to 4. Now if n is greater than 1, n minus 1, so 1 is not greater than 1, so what we will do, directly printf percentile d d is printed. This line is not returning anything because n minus count is n is not, 1 is not greater than 1, so we will go to the control will go to next line, printf d percentile d is printed. Now go back here from count 1 to count 2. So remember that what I have told you, printf percentile d, this line we have to do. Since d is static variable, that's why I have told you to write it in special way, because others are simple variable, d is static variable. So here again printf is done, so 4 is printed. Now from 2 again the control will go to count 3. So count 3 again, printf percentile d is done, printf d is done. So what, the d value is 4 is printed. So this is our output. So what is the answer? 3 1 1 3 1 2 2 1 3 3 4. This is the answer. Option A is the correct answer. So people will generally mistake it here. They will make it this as answer. We will not evaluate this printf in the last 2 times.